Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to start by securing essentials and attempting a safe remote unlock. Make sure the A06 has over half battery and Wi-Fi or a SIM active. This avoids interruptions. If you remember your Samsung or Google account, use Samsung Find My Mobile or Google Find My Device to attempt a remote unlock. This preserves data. Once done, power the phone fully off so you can proceed to the recovery menu. This is the first actionable step toward removing the lock. Now boot into recovery. With the device off, press and hold volume up and power simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears, then release. Use the volume keys to navigate, highlight Wipe Data/Factory Reset, and press power to select. Confirm the action when prompted. This erases user data and removes the password because it restores factory firmware. Do this only if remote unlock failed or you have consent to reset the phone, since wiping cannot be undone, and it's the main method to clear the lock. After the factory reset completes, choose Reboot System Now and let the phone finish startup. This can take several minutes. During setup, sign in with the same Samsung or Google account previously linked to the device to prevent factory reset protection from blocking access. If you encounter FRP asking for previous credentials, use those exact account details or attempt Samsung Find My Mobile to unlock remotely. If you don't have those, contact the original owner or Samsung support with proof of purchase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.